Disconnect the power. Turn off the toilet angle valve. Lift the toilet seat lid assembly from the back of the toilet. Lift them upward with slight force to release the bottom clips. Once the seat lid assembly is loosened, gently lift it up a bit. Be mindful of the hoses underneath. The thin white hose is the inlet hose for the cleaning device. The black hose is connected to the flush button. Grasp the black hose and pull downward to disconnect it. The white hose has a quick release clip. Push it upward. Once pushed up, the hose becomes loose and can then be pulled out. Press and hold to remove it. After disconnecting the hoses, the seat lid assembly can be fully removed. After removing the cover from the toilet ceramic body, place the toilet seat lid assembly in this position. Unscrew the mounting screws. Once the screws are removed, the base and cover can be separated. Important! At this point, you need to pull out the knob before separating the base from the cover. Then proceed with detaching the base and cover. Next, remove the hinges on both sides. Take out the hinge assemblies. After all hinges are removed, the cover and toilet seat will separate. Once separated, proceed to remove the toilet lid. To remove it, you'll need a flathead screwdriver. Insert it into the gap and pry it outward. To detach the toilet lid, note that this rotational shaft needs to be reused. Now take the new toilet lid. First install the side with the rotational shaft. Then attach the clip side. After installation, place the cover back into position. Reinstall the hinges. Make sure to match the correct orientation, inserting them into their corresponding holes. Once properly inserted, tighten all the mounting screws. After the screws are secured, check that the lid damping mechanism works correctly. It should feel resistant when opening. Now reinstall the base back to the cover and tighten the screws connecting them. Finally, reinstall the knob. Then mount the toilet seat lid assembly back onto the toilet ceramic body. When reconnecting the inlet hose, make sure to press down the quick release clip. Then push the hose in directly. Try pulling it gently to confirm it's secured. The button should be inserted into the upper slot. Once it clicks into place with a snap sound, it's installed correctly. Press down firmly to secure it. The toilet seat lid assembly is now reinstalled.